Graph the inequality and give interval notation for the solution. Use two lowercase o's for infinity and u for union as needed. So here, the first thing that we need to do is graph this inequality. So we have the values x is less than or equal to -6, or x is less than or equal to 4. So we'll see how to go about this. Now, if you'll notice, as you hover over the line here, we have a pencil that shows up. And that tells you that you're using a drawing tool. And the thing that you're drawing with is whatever is selected down here. So I would generally begin with open and close circles and then fill in lines and segments from there. So let's start with the first set. X is less than or equal to -6. So less than or equal to -6, that would begin here at -6 and then go back to, notice it's a segment now, but when you get over to the 10, it switches to an arrow, meaning that you're going back to -infinity. All right, or, which means to join together all the elements from less than or equal to 4. So here's 4. All the values that are less than or equal to 4 go back this way as well. Now here's kind of a problem. If you'll notice, I'm sort of covering over all of these values here. To be honest, I'm not sure if the site's going to count this right or wrong for me. And I would expect it to count it wrong because I'm covering over two different sets. The simplest answer is the best answer. So what we should probably do is clear this off. And since all of these values contain all the values of the previous set, we can just simply use the one set. So the interval notation for the graph above is going to be all the values from -infinity. We always start with the least value first in our interval notation, going up to 4 and including the 4.